Hello everyone, myself Vijay Lakshmi Kumbhar, working as assistant professor in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Department at Pimpri-Chinchwad College of Engineering and Research, Rawat. Today I am presenting a case study on cell phone tower radiation to complete week 1 task environmental awareness for International FDP on Environment and Sustainability organized by D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akudi. So we will understand what type of radiation is emitted by our cell phone towers. So whatever the radiation that is emitted from the cell phones, cell phone towers, Wi-Fi, TV and FM towers, microwave ovens, these are called as electromagnetic radiation. These radiation cause the significant health hazards on the humans, animals, birds, plants and environment. Here, as an example is given here. There are about 7.3 billion mobile subscriptions worldwide. If you can imagine this number, this is quite more than the world's population. And whatever the radiation that is generated by the mobile phone or the towers, it ranges between the 400 megahertz and 3 gigahertz. And in order to accommodate these many number of subscribers, that is 7.3 billion, we can imagine the number of towers required to make and receive the calls. These radiations cause many health hazards. They cause headache, depression, high blood pressure and sleep disorders. Not only that, they will affect the birds, animals as well as the environment. Also, the radiation from the cell phone, it can choke the seeds, inhibit germination and root growth, thereby affecting the overall growth of agricultural crops and the plants. It results in the reduction in wheat and corn yield in the fields near the high EMF lines. So what are the solutions to reduce the effect of cell tower radiation? The first solution is that we can have more number of cell towers with lesser transmitted power. We can also reduce the heating effect, so cooling or no cooling will be required. All of these will reduce the power requirement, which can also be met by the solar panel. High-powered diesel generators will also not be required, which will reduce the noise and air pollution and reduction in the carbon emission. ICNIRP, that is the organization International Commission on Non-Ionizing Radiation Protection, it provides the advice and guidance on the health and environmental effects of non-ionizing radiation to protect the people and environment. So this non-ionizing radiation is nothing but the radiation emitted by the ultraviolet light, infrared and radio waves. So in our daily life, the common sources of this NIR are sun, household electrical appliances, mobile phones, Wi-Fi and microwave ovens. So ICNIRP provides the guidelines for this health and environmental effect due to this radiation. So cell phone industry is becoming another cigarette industry which kept claiming that smoking is not harmful, and now there are millions of the people around the world who have suffered from the smoking. In fact, the radiation from the tower is worse than the smoking, as one cannot see it or the smell it, and its effect on the health is noted after a long period of exposure. Therefore, majority of the people tend to have a causalness towards the personal protection. Unfortunately, the ignorance of ignorance adds to this misery, and all of us are absorbing this slow poison unknowingly. Even if people are aware of the radiation hazard, they may not have the choice to move away from it if the tower is installed near their office or the residential building. Thank you.